the conclusion of the 12th week of the 2018 Kentucky General Assembly, the end of the legislative session is near, with only 2 days to go before the 2-week veto recess. This week, legislators will meet to discuss bills on Tuesday and Wednesday. With so few days remaining, KMA's focus issues have been significantly narrowed. Senate Bill 112, sponsored by Senator Ralph Alvarado, passed favorably from the House Health and Family Services Committee on Wednesday. The measure includes provisions that would require health plans and Medicaid managed care organizations to reimburse providers at the same rates for services delivered in person or via telehealth. Kentucky needs to enact a telehealth payment parity law so that providers can more effectively utilize telehealth and increase patient access to services. Telehealth utilization also saves Kentucky patients time and expenses associated with travel and absenteeism and improves care efficiency, coordination, and the integration of healthcare services. Senate Bill 112 is awaiting a vote by the full House. However, a floor amendment, House Floor Amendment No. 2, has been introduced that seeks to strip out the payment parity provisions. Please call your representative today and urge them to vote yes on Senate Bill 112 as a clean bill and vote no on House Floor Amendment No. 2. House Bill 69, sponsored by Representative Ken Fleming, also saw positive movement last week. The bill, which would streamline provider credentialing and enrollment, was passed by the Senate by unanimous vote 2 weeks ago and reached concurrence last week in the House. It now heads to the governor's desk for signature. As the 2018 session winds down, KMA would like to thank its members who contributed to our advocacy efforts. A page has been added to the KMA Action Center called Advocacy in Action that highlights the testimony of member physicians on behalf of the interest of the medical community. This work will also be highlighted periodically on Twitter with the hashtag Advocacy in Action. Be sure to follow KMA on Twitter for the most recent updates.